Polkadot price strength being compromised by the intersection of two resistance levels. Rebound may be disguising the next leg of a bearish pattern. Osprey Funds broadens market for alternative cryptocurrency funds. Polkadot price rebound at a crossroads, leaving market operators bewildered and frustrated as other cryptocurrencies sprint towards new highs. In the short term, the pattern presents the potential for a 20% rally from the current price if resistance levels are overpowered. Polkadot price future to be influenced by a new generation of crypto investors. The new Osprey Polkadot Trust caters to sophisticated investors searching for a unique opportunity to access one of the largest Layer 1 smart contract chains. The fund will be available to high net worth individuals with an investment minimum of $25,000, and it will list on the OTCQX market as soon as possible. DOT began 2021 with an impressive rally, but from mid-February, the cryptocurrency has primarily moved sideways, except for a minor new high in the middle of April. The new high was matched with a bearish momentum divergence, as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, on various timeframes failed to print a new high. The ensuing correction traveled to the 50% retracement of the advance that began on December 23, 2020, resulting in a 40% decline. From a macro perspective, a potential head and shoulders top is lurking on the 12-hour chart. To complete the pattern and to provide symmetry, DOT needs to shrug off the resistance at the crossroads of the double top trigger at $37.71 and the 100 12-hour simple moving average, SMA, at $36.93 to reach a similar high as the left shoulder, around $42.36. It would equate to a 20% gain from the current price. To further add symmetry, the right shoulder could take weeks to complete, as was the case with the left shoulder, bolstering the credibility of the pattern that ranks very high in terms of success and returns if adequately formed. The bearish thesis is voided if DOT rallies beyond the April high at $48.54. A surge beyond the high will collide with the meridian trendline beginning at the end of December 2020 and through the March low. The trendline currently rests at $58.25.
It has a market cap of over $31 billion and is the 8th largest cryptocurrency in the world. Joining us now to discuss is Osprey Funds founder and CEO Greg King in Fairfield, Connecticut. Welcome, Greg, to the show. Explain to us, if you could, what Polkadot is from the get-go and why you are creating a trust for DOT specifically.
Sure. People are super excited, including us, about Polkadot because, there's different ways to express it, but it's potentially the internet of blockchains, right? Polkadot is a multifunctioning platform that promises to connect all the blockchains together so they can communicate, transact value, exchange data. It's a very ambitious project, but we're super excited to bring this to market.
Greg, Polkadot is seen as an Ethereum killer. Is this a bet that Polkadot does, in fact, put Ethereum to death?
So we view part of our job as a product provider to sort of curate what's out there, right? Our first product was the Bitcoin fund. An earlier guest said Bitcoin broke the dam. And a lot of people are focused on Bitcoin. We love Bitcoin, but what's next, right? And so Ethereum is a great project, and we have nothing against Ethereum. It's just that Polkadot seems to be next gen beyond that, and so we view ourselves as sort of a curator of the next ideas. And Polkadot, it remains to be seen sort of who's going to win that race, but I don't think it's an either or. You could see a world where both Bitcoin and Ethereum are operating within the Polkadot ecosystem and communicating with each other.